we will rise. Beloved Armenia, from stone churches to city squares. Armenia, we remember your names and your songs, God of mercy. Meet us in the midst.
Mount Ararat watches the morning like an elder. Khachkars in the fields keep stories in stone. Apricot trees and carpet looms, hands learning patience. Chant in the nave, candles in the window. The real will rise, beloved land, heart to heart, hand in hand. Light returns to every home. Armenia, we will rise, we will rise, beloved land, voices of the storm say, we will rise.
Roads out of Artsakh, names written on paper and palms. Suitcases by the door, neighbors share bread and tea. Rooms with the missing walls, echoes of ancient choirs. Heritage under watch, guardians of memory, keep the key.
Diaspora on the line, letters crossing oceans. Through the scars of war, your courage does not leave.
We will rise, beloved land, heart to heart, hand in hand. Light returns to every home. Armenia, we will rise, we will rise, beloved land, voices of the stone say, we will rise.
Louis Hayastan, Louis Shimarum, Kyan Kahachti, Chararutyun Lini. We will rise, beloved land, heart to heart, hand in hand. Light returns to every home. Armenia, we will rise. Say it with me. Say it with me. Voices of the stone say, we will rise. Louis, Kyan, Louis, Kyan, Ararat still watching.
Peace over Armenia.